Hey bird, how you doing there? Yeah? You want some bird seeds? Huh? Huh, you little bastard? You want a few bird seeds? You waiting around? Want me to feed you? Can't go find your own food? Huh? Yeah? Is that what's going on? Do you want some poisonous bird seeds? Yeah, you heard me, poisonous. Yeah. That means healthy bird seeds. Mm-hmm. You thought you heard differently? No, no. Do you want them now? Yeah? Oh wow, you can find your own food? Well, maybe I'll have to rethink this. Fuck you, bird. Fuck you. Fuck you, big fat bird. Yeah, fuck you.